This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Well-maintained solid all-brick ranch home nestled in the charming and highly sought-after Kings Forest neighborhood. This home sits on over 1/3 acre corner lot with an oversized garage and a 2-car detached garage/workshop. There are 2 separate driveways for ample parking. The home features 2 newly converted gas fireplaces, gleaming hardwood flooring, 4 seasons sunroom, deck, skylights, large den with cathedral ceilings, newer roof, and all rooms are quite large. Act now and see today. For more information, review the details below.